Hey.
Why are you running?
You know the fear say that if you touch your body. Hey. Why you dey pull leg? You know they hurt you.
We are used to it.
Hey.
Now if I say you should touch it, you not.
Well done, yeah. Well done.
See how it is. See me.
No I know what born you. You want for
See him.
What happened? Jeez. You know that. Hey. You don't use that burn your head though. See, you don't use that burn your head for you. You know pay your to put us.
This one, not the wahala.
You know they hurt you. Jeez. God, I beg you. Oh, people are with gift though. See as fear they catch me like this as I see am. No fit just come carry the water drink. You go must be the one and I go give you.
I can put my hand here. I will take this water. Like this far, see, no any problem. See.
I beg you. Okay. Okay, it's here again, the man and crab, the queen of African culture, guys. I'm here to show you something very unique, like something that our forefathers were using there. Their means of producing the material they were using to work there, called blacksmithing. That's where I am here to show you how they were doing it, how they produce it for real. Like, bros, how you doing?
I dey fine.
What's be your name?
My name is Musa Idris.
Musa Idris.
Yes.
Okay. This is where you produce these materials that you sell out for people that use it to work.
Yes.
Okay. What do they call this one now?
This one now, hole.
Hole.
Big hole.
Okay. Now they produce inside there.
Yeah.
That's now they produce this one too.
This one.
This one.
Yes.
Come. Okay. See how busy they are. This is how our forefathers were producing their materials then. Okay. This one is the big one.
Na big one. Na big one. You call them garma.
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 Now see those people inside there. They produce all these ones. Garma.
See how you go put up for stick, ba.
Okay. Now from here, now when they don't produce and here, they will come.
Produce and you go put for stick to go and do work for you.
Okay. Like this. Hey. This one like this now, how much?
Now this one in 7.5.
7.5.
Yes.
Wow.
Like this. Like this are 7,000 naira. With stick, na 9,000.
Okay, like this now 7,000. With the stick 9,000. And I hear that they produce all these things.
Yeah.
Una they do, una fight for that they do, una come meet and they do them again.
Now.
For how many years did they don't they do this in here?
Hi, me.
No,
oh,
how many years this place don't they exist?
Past 300 years. Oh.
Past 300 years.
Yes. For how you go? He passed like that myself.
Now forefathers they do, una come grow, come meet and see they do and they go.
Yeah.
Now see una they produce this one. They see this one, they use them for charcoal.
For charcoal. Inside.
Okay, see this one too. This one for hunters, ba? This one for hunters.
Yes. See how you produce and you go put that this. You go catch something. Animal or everything. Jack.
And I see una they do them.
Yes.
Blacksmithing for life. Now see una produce this one.
This one. You go put charcoal inside. Produce food, cooking food and something.
And I hear they do this one.
And I hear. All in a year.
This is heavy.
It's too heavy. What about that one now?
This one big. Okay. Ha. Now they do better work here. Now here I produce all these things.
Yes.
So this one they take a break
firewood. Yes. How you go do break firewood and something?
Yeah,
see the mouth.
Big one and
see
small.
The mouth.
Now see here I produce this mouth here.
Yes.
Oh. Now here I produce this mouth now.
See the stick now.
This one is the small one.
This one is a small one.
Hey.
This one is
all
the
of
big
them
one.
they do like that. Okay, but when you want spoil, go fit bring and come and mend and there.
Yes.
No, go inside there.
Again.
Hey. Okay. Hey. Oh, my brother, well done. Oh, oh how work now?
Fine.
Well done. Hey, how many years you don dey do this work?
This one, you go reach more than 50 years ago. This one, man. You pass like that, man. Sef.
Well done work. Oh.
Well done, well done.
So that one wey you dey turn there, wetin be the work of that one wey your brother dey turn? That one wey you dey turn there?
This one. You dey do this thing for the fire.
Okay, now you dey give fire for here.
Give fire for here. They will do this one.
You carry dey give fire now. Hey.
Now they give fire.
Now you dey connect fire here, come here.
When you connect this fire now, you go use and do patanya, do everything within this one. This do hole.
Oh.
Now. Yeah, this one.
This one na the old one wey you dey make am
This
mend.
one na old one.
You don spoil, you come dey redo am again.
Don't spoil. This one don't spoil. They come to repair am. You do am.
Well done work o. Bros, well done o. Well done. Well done. Hey. Let's go there. No, all this things, now they use all this one, they do am.
This one, ma.
Eh.
You use am for that abacha.
That,
For that abacha, that one.
okay.
You go put am inside for the ground.
Okay, we go put charcoal
For
inside.
the food charcoal inside.
Wetin this water dey do, man?
This one water. Na medicine o.
Okay, na medicine.
Na medicine.
When
Na
I dey
medicine.
work.
Everything wey you do, you go put this one inside.
Eh.
Hand inside. Everything inside. Na medicine. You come buy am here. Somebody come buy am here. You go give am. 15 naira, 30 naira, 20 naira.
They tell am go drink for medicine.
You go drink for medicine.
And na dey get am from the iron, the hot. Na dey use am dey cool am.
Inside. Pound that charcoal ground. You go put this one.
Okay.
Yo, you go put am like
This one
this.
still dey very hot.
Na medicine all. My hand say. All na medicine. All na medicine. Anything about here is a medicine.
As na iron, e dey come out from iron.
Even this ground sand na medicine. Na medicine.
All these ones na dey use dey do the work.
You go use am for that garma. Garma wey told you. That big hole. You go cut am like this. You see how you go cut am out. You go cut am like this. Bang, 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 bang. You go put
Well
the
done. Well done work. Okay, now na dey use dey produce charcoal there.
yes.
Okay. My brother, how you dey? Good afternoon. How you dey now?
Fine.
How work? How long wey you don dey do this thing? This your work? Eh?
Which matter? We got to magana.
You don tell wey you dey do this work?
Hey.
How many years?
This work we pass 300 days.
Past 300 years.
Yes, we are a conservative
But
work
you don
now.
tell when I dey do am for here.
Past 100 days.
Past 300 years.
Yes,
So na forefathers bin dey do am before una come
we
meet am.
inheritance from our
Inherit it from your forefathers.
yes.
Na hoe for farm.
We use it to do hole. This one are conservative work. Conservative. We inheritance from our grandfather more than 200 years ago.
How many years you don do am?
Getting to 300 years now.
You how many years you don stay here?
Now, I have 45 years.
25 years here.
Yeah.
Which one be that one now? Come on.
That's much more important.
Come now. Brother. Hey, good afternoon. How you dey?
In the fine.
Well done work. Oh. Okay, this one na the hole wey they put for the.
For that one. Na him wey you put am. Na small thing. For this this thing where you do small
For
farm.
the weed for farm.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, now so they take they produce am.
Now.
You don't work now to dey do this one.
For the ground.
They use that the open ground put maize.
Yes, yeah.
Hey. See as they produce the thing.
See how you go do, ba.
I never see am before.
See how you go do. See am, ba.
Well done, oh. Hey.
Na like that way you do. Bam, finish.
Wetin be the name of that one wey they use like that?
This one na pan now, na pan. Na pan.
Na pan they take dey do am like this.
Don't catch am, no fire dey.
Hey. Is it hot? You don't tell when I dey do this thing.
You see?
You don't tell where when I dey do am.
Yeah. See how you go do. If you comot am for there, you come knack am here. If you knack am here, you go do.
Okay, now when they comot am for there now. Okay, you go comot am for there now. Carry am come here
see
now
am
wey dey
fire.
hot now. But this is no dey touch him body, as e no cover him body like this.
No. See how you go do now. Come back now.
Na the thing dey do am like that.
Now.
But if they wear trouser dey cover am now.
No about a trouser here. This one nothing. I get medicine with everything we do.
Okay, na get medicine wey I dey use.
Yes, yeah.
Na so they take dey produce hoe wey dey use dey farm.
Now.
Hey.
You get big one, you get small one. Big one dey for outside. Small one here. This one small one. Big one dey outside.
See as they do am.
What?
So the fire, that fire now. Na charcoal dey inside.
Na charcoal now. Na charcoal you go produce this one. This one you go.
Okay. As you dey turn am, e get wetin you dey do.
This one na pipe wey dey do.
Na pipe.
Big pipe where you put am to give this one fire.
Okay. So no be this charcoal na the pipe dey give the charcoal fire.
Na pipe wey dey do straight.
They give the charcoal fire. Well done. So no be normal fire they put inside.
Yeah. This one nothing
So
there.
now this pipe now they give fire.
Nothing there.
Nothing there. Now this one now they give am the fire where they come out there.
Yeah.
When they put am, they come carry this thing now and put inside.
That small one for this guy where you go do. That one na big one.
So when they open here na big one.
Na big one. This one na small one.
This one na the small one.
Kaya kwe wuta ba, kaya kama ba. Nga kama me wuta. If you go outside, you go see big one outside. This one is small one.
Go where the big one then.
Okay, let's go there.
Well done, yeah. Well done.
You go put your hand like this. Do like this.
Okay,
Do like this.
different one.
This one a different one. No be that one. Na like this. Bang.
Na see hole. Which what they tell they produce?
You go na leather one.
Leather.
Leather. You go put am like this. If you put am like this, you go give this fire. You go do am like this. Bang.
The box na wetin?
This box, you go put any pieces of iron.
Okay, now na produce am like this.
No, you go and see this one nothing dey inside. You go if you bring that.
Do this one abi na buy.
Na buy am wey you buy.
They use am dey keep material when I say they work.
Materials, everything materials about your materials.
The iron wey dey here kwan, this one.
This iron. You know tractor.
Tractor.
That big tractor in there for your body. You go comot and go and put am in.
Una dey use am work.
You go use am do work for you.
What kind of work una dey use am do?
Yeah.
Which work una dey use am do?
This work now.
Okay,
Na this work.
Okay, keep am on top. They use am dey break
bang,
down.
bang. This one all like the same.
Even this one, which one are they using?
This one na here we produce. This one na here we produce. You go and bring big iron like this, like this one. You go put am inside fire, go knack am.
Okay, put am here, knack am. Use am produce something.
Yeah.
What na dey use am produce mainly?
Hammer, big hammer.
E go heavy well well o.
How you go cut that hammer?
Una well done o, well done. I greet you all. Good afternoon, sir. Well done. Thank you, sir.
Na like this way you cut am.
Okay, that one wey you cut for there.
That one na major mean what you do. You see am ba?
Na after here they go come put am.
You go, yo, good.
Okay, na this person dey knack like this. Hey. Hey. Omo, I dey hear about blacksmithing. Na today I dey see am for my eye. Well done work o. Hey. Gbage. Well done. Oh, I greet you. Bros, well done. How you dey na?
Fine.
I say ma dey hear about blacksmithing, but I never see where they do am. So as I come see your king, you say ma waka see everything. I say okay, ma come here come see with my eye. Well done work. How long wey you dey do this? How long? How many years you don dey do this work?
This one, it's over 30 years.
Over 30 years. You don dey do am. Use am dey train your family.
Yes.
See wetin dey surprise me now. How this thing carry dey give fire for here na im dey surprise me pass.
This one that is being constructed. There's propeller inside that used to blow the air. Yeah, that is how it is.
Dey surprise me how e carry dey give fire for there. I no know.
There's propeller inside. So that propeller, when it's being rolled, then it blow air out.
This one wey dey do now na wetin na?
This stick for this grinding engine.
Grinding engine.
Yes.
Say dey supply where and where?
All these neighboring villages.
The way they do farming and all those.
Yes.
The fire no dey hot una.
It do hurt us. It do hurt us, but you know what you are used to. Yes. So it has become part and parcel of us. So we don't so much bother about it.
How many they produce a day?
This one. Yes, we produce. You know, say this one as it is now is for one engine. Just a set.
Them now set.
This one like this part like this. It's just for a set. Yes. So we used to produce 2-4 sets in a day. Yes.
How much do they sell one like this as they produce a set?
Yes, a set is now up to 5,000, 6,000.
5,000, 6,000.
Yes. It depends on the you know, that's of different types. This one is the smallest one. Then this one is the big one.
Okay, this one is smaller, this one is big one.
Yes.
So you dey measure am to know the length.
Measurement now. There's measurement. Yeah. If you don't measure am,
Now you go cut that place wey remain comot.
no, we will not cut it. We have to draw it so that it can give it to be the same level with this one. Yes. By heating it, then it will draw itself to give the actual measurement. Just at
Hey, this one you chop belle full before you dey do the work o.
No. It's just like any other work, man.
So that one they put for fire now is to melt it there. That one you put for fire now is to melt it.
Yes, it will not melt, man. It will not melt.
Ma see now, that one wey dey fire. Hey.
Why are you running?
Hey, you know the fear say that if it touch your body. Hey. Why you dey pull leg? You know they hurt you.
We are used to it. touch it, you not.
Well done, yeah. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Apple.
I dey go dey supervise dey check wetin make una unique for here. You know say here na dey do BlackSmithing, all this na work, and una dey do am since una forefathers reach now. So as I come visit una king, he say make I go round see all the things wey make una culture unique. So now I dey waka dey see, so I don go see those people, see this people. Now they say make I come meet, so na you be senior. I say make I come meet you. Well done work. Yeah. Now which one you dey do?
This one. This one now for hog. Hog.
Okay.
Okay, this one.
Okay, for planting of groundnut.
Yes. Now for groundnut.
Now they still dey do hammer for here.
Yes. This one you no go buy this one. Na me dey do am here.
Na you dey do am here.
Yes.
You no fit buy am for market, na you go use your hand do am.
Na only iron I go buy am. When I buy iron, I come repair am here.
Give am wetin you want. So na the whole wey dey carry dey go farm na dey do for here. Hey, brother, well done o. Well done. Hey.
What do you
How
want?
many of this thing na dey produce a day?
They can produce 200 a day.
A day.
A day. They can produce 200.
This one they produce now, what is it used for?
For planting groundnut.
Okay, for planting of groundnut.
Yeah. You put that stick, small stick. Just for groundnut only. This one for planting groundnut. You put groundnut one after another.
Then weeding of grass for farm.
The grass, just the grass thing you put groundnut.
Now they supply in different places. For the farmers them.
The farmers.
What thing again that they produce here apart from this one, hoe and they get other things?
We produce the big horse, we produce ice, and that thing very, you know ice, right? With knife.
The knife.
Yeah. With one thing that we can dig ground all over now, we can produce them here. Even we are material that we can work within hammer and sheeting. We are producing here by ourselves. We no go
market to buy anything.
Like
produce your thing here, your materials here.
Yeah.
This water wey dey here now, wetin I dey use am do?
This water we are using if you want to, if you are not well now, you have someone that disturb you. If you come here, we can use the drink. You will get normal.
If the person is having stomach pains and all those things, you give the person to drink.
You give the drink.
You cure medicine, cure sickness.
Very good medicine. No, go hospital. This one now we inherited. Now this thing. How can I explain this thing?
Your own medicine.
Here, your own medicine. But even you now, if you come, now you the owner of this place.
That will give you to drink.
We give you by yourself to drink.
By himself to drink. You know if you come collect and drink.
Even now, this fire touch you. We burn you. You can take this water and wash the place. No, put any medicine.
You go. But person no fit just come carry the water drink. You go must be the one and I go give you.
No. I can put my hand here. I can take this water. Like this fire. See, no any problem. See.
Okay.
The water.
And now this iron.
This water if I wash my hand.
Do that thing again, man. That way you do carry this.
I said, you see, this is a fire. You see.
Hey, wait. I don't fear.
If you can now, see this one iron. Hello, you can talk about Kahuta, like I talk about Samu Huta. Talk about Kadongo, Kadaka Chili. If now, living my hand. See how see me.
No I know go born you. You want for
See
what happen? You know that. Hey. You know that head though. See, don't use a bunny head for you. Hey. You know pay as you put as.
This one, no be wahala.
You know they hurt you. Jeez. God abeg o. Oh, people are with gift o. See as fear dey catch me like this as I dey see am. No dey do na anything. Ma see that your leg wey put that time.
No go enter. Just if you just brush it, they can't enter.
Hey, Omo, I don see something for here. I don see something. Omo, blacksmithing for real. Hey, fear don catch me here o. Hey, na well done. You see wetin your brother do? Yeah? You see wetin your brother do for there? But I fit touch this thing.
Touch am.
I fit touch am.
Touch am.
Okay.
We never ask you.
I'm from Enugu State. I'm from Enugu State to come.
Enugu State.
See as I travel far come.
You be Igbo.
Hey.
Which program is this one?
Now we dey promote culture, tradition. We dey promote culture, tradition of the people. Wetin make una unique among other people. Like this way they do this thing now, they no dey do am other places like this. Na wetin make una culture unique. Una still dey practice wetin una father dey do till now. So na wetin we dey promote with that. Well done, yeah. Well done. I dey come meet you. I dey come meet you. I never learn finish. You go teach me. You go teach me the language. You go teach me. Well done. Toba. Hey, Tabeni Toba. I don't learn language. I no sabi again. No. I no sabi again. I no sabi again. Well done work. What's the name of this one? I been like this one.
No, not be this one.
What's the name of this one?
This one na stick.
The particular one that they use they do am.
No, see am now.
Okay.
Now for fun we dey find am, come repair am, make that thing where they put the handle for the patanya.
This one the last where we know they score.
Yeah, this one the last now. See am now. Nothing they chop in body now. No dey spoil.
Your own work na to produce this one.
This one na me produce am, na me do am.
You go do am, you go come dey like that one wey dey there now. Okay, now from this place you go cut and you go come there like this. Hey, easy o. Well done work. Okay, now they produce all this hoe where they use the farm like this. Hey, well done work.
This water you see, we used to harden iron to the water. Yes, and other these things. Some people use it as a medicine.
That's what they said.
Yes. But the main purpose of it is just to harden iron. Yes. When we put it inside fire and then we dip it inside, the iron will be strong.
But no best, why do people drink it as medicine?
It's just an belief. It's a belief. You know, Africans, we have that kind of a belief that anything that is, if you put something and then dip it inside water,
It comes from iron medicine.
some people say that it used to cure them heart problem. That is it.
But can somebody just walk in and come and drink it, or the owner must give you before you drink?
You must seek permission, man. Just not just like that. You must
Take permission from the owner before you drink.
Yes. Thank you.
How long this place don't stay? Don't they exist?
This place, we inherited this place from our forefathers.
You inherited it from your forefathers.
Yes. They were the one doing it. They can't get back to us and then we'll continue from where they stop. And even that is where I said before that if you drink this one.
When I finish drink am, when I finish I go know whether when I finish I go know whether I go fit drink am. You dey find my trouble for here.
You know, our forefather don't use this way. Their own is that tradition of fellows, where you be using hand like this. But this one has,
People that introduce this one.
it's we that introduce this one.
And you still use your hand to produce this thing.
No, this one we used to take it to those people with melting aluminium. Yes, they will form it for us, and then you do the remaining part of it.
Now the remaining one.
You know, there's that traditional one. If you go to that blacksmith, they see you that traditional one. It's not even far. After, if you just go, there's one road like this one that link here. If you just go there, you see that.
Take us to the place. Can you take us to the place?
Yes, this one will take you to the place. You will
See that traditional one.
that older one.
Yeah, ma. This one na medicine. You go put
Na
am.
medicine.
Na medicine. If you put this one for him, he go dry.
You go dry.
Eh.
So if fire burn person for you, now they carry and go hospital.
No, only na here, only here. You see, Amba? I cover am. If you cover am now, by the time when it dry,
Everything don't go.
yes.
Sorry, baby, sorry. First, you use your hand, comot the up one, clean am, pour the medicine.
Yes.
Ainga kula da ita kanga bebe ta be danno do maji. Kadimi ma da ita to.
Everything okay. I finish it.
You go still come back again.
Yes. You come back tomorrow to go and see how you go
How
do.
you do? How many days go take go dry off?
3
3 days.
3 days, okay.
3 days don't finish.
Yeah.
So now they carry person go hospital for you.
No any hospital here.
So every sickness now they treat am here.
About fire, ba.
For other things now they go hospital.
Yes.
Sorry, baby. Sorry. Hey. Oh. Now wow. Now get culture. So now I want gift be this one. Sorry, yeah. Hey, like this fire burn person now we just treat am like this. 3 days you don't go. 3 days you don't go. So now what you not believe here? 3 days you don't go with this medicine now. You don't treat am. They don't treat you before. They don't treat you before.
Yeah, they don't treat me before.
And you go.
Yeah.
Hey.
Let me show you the okay, you go school.
You go school. Okay, the girl where you don't treat. I'm on a girl culture here, medicine. See, if fire like all those when they say gas accident or fire, all those things. Now so now they take treat them.
Fire, issue of fire, say. Now here we come.
Now here they will carry the person come now treat them like this.
Yes.
If you treat and finish, if you go, they dey like normal skin like this.
Yes.
Okay, you go dey like normal skin. Hey. Okay, person where they don't treat like that.
My daughter.
Your own daughter.
Hot water come by time from here.
For here like
Come
this.
down here. Before 2 weeks, everything don't recover.
Everything go.
Everything go.
And if you go back to normal skin.
I swear to Almighty.
Hey.
Now my own daughter. Make I check out whether I did from my phone. Make I
Okay,
show
make
you.
you show me. Hey. Una get culture for here, I swear. Na gift, pure gift.
If fire come catch me here, I no go anywhere. Now
No
here
go
them
any
go
hospital,
treat me.
na
No.
here.
Nobody go call hospital for me. Now for here them go
Go
treat
treat
me
you
finish.
finish.
Yes. Unless I will go and collect pain relief.
Okay, for pain relief.
Yes.
That's good. Na only thing if you carry you go hospital.
Now only thing go carry me go hospital be that.
Yeah, you go see people wey fire go burn all their body, they go hospital, they go treat time, e go take time. When you go finish, you go see say e dey fire.
More than 200 years. That is how we are treating fire.
More than 200 years.
We inherit this thing from our forefathers.
Some of una believe in this thing for over 300, 200 years. Now wetin una dey take dey treat fire?
Yes, that is how we are treating fire.
Hey. So even if person dey anywhere, fire do because they go carry the person come back here.
Yes. Now here we dey treat am. For hospital, then they call us.
So what if you travel now, fire come do person there? How you go see the medicine for there? Abi
Yes.
they carry am go?
Then we send the medicine to the person.
They go send am to
Yes,
the person.
if them dey near, then go carry and come here. If them dey far, we will send the medicine.
But for hospital, they come now for hospital, come treat people.
Yes, then they call for hospital, come they go they treat people there.
Okay, una go there, go treat people with fire burn.
Yes, ma.
So they believe in this in our own fast recovery than that their hospital own.
If say you will go and see this Fulani man from here to next tomorrow, you will see the
Talk say like hi, 2 days now, 3 days.
2 days. If I don't go safe.
Okay, well done, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon. Well done. Fine. Okay, now this side they get the medicine. Now this side they get medicine.
You leave the medicine for that house now.
Okay.
That boy where you see now, they bring the medicine.
Okay, now they bring her. That one when show us that time.
Now they bring her.
Now well done. Well done.
You don't need fire.
Okay, you don't need fire.
Yes, you don't need fire. Now so then they doing it.
Okay.
They're not gonna put it for fire at all.
Okay,
So
they
now
put
black
fire for
iron.
here.
Yes, like that one. Like that one. Now then they put for fire. But this one, they know they use fire. Then they use and do knife. This is
now
what
hand they use.
yes.
Now this thing they do this one.
If fire burn person, if them medicine where they put am for him.
You go just clear.
Yes.
You get time for here now.
Yes.
You
Ghana
sure?
na.
Okay, yana gida. Okay.
So you need the sample.
So they need to put this one for fire.
They know they put it for fire. After processing, this is how it will be.
From here now they get this one.
Yes.
This one are the small one.
This is the small one. This is the medium one. So big one will pass this one day. Farmers they use them. Yes, it's sharp.
Farmers they use them for farm.
And everything you see here na hand, and they use them. They do one. No engine, no anything,
No fire.
Na hand, and they use.
Hand.
Yes.
Okay. So the pipe now they use. Okay, now they take the cut am. Okay, this one a pipe. Now this one be this one. Okay.
It's the handle of this
Okay, the handle. Yes. Okay, they put am like this. Okay. But I don't get the one where they don't do for here. I don't get the one where they don't do. Where they don't dey ready.
Abunda na kenu piana.
Come. Okay.
No, but here it.
Come on, see am for ring. Okay. Okay. They come knock am together. Yeah. From this one.
From this one, you see, from here to there, you will come no less than 70 to 80 million. Yeah.
And from these three, they take they produce this one to them.
Yes, now from these three. Then they get from here to that blacksmith side. Then they get no less than 80, 70. At all, 60 million. Yeah. 60 million a year.
And people they say, I'm going to say nothing there inside.
60 million
A year.
a year. Now so then they get on.
And from here, they will come produce like this.
Now from here, then come the producers. Before they arrange and finish, carry go sell. The buyer even there for ground safe. Some give their money, they wait. If them finish, then go come carry am.
Go sell.
Then they do this one against rainy season. Before rainy season come, oh yeah, then go come buy and go.
And you say that medicine they put for a person wey fire burn na from wood like this they get.
Now from wood like this, then they go they come out, and if they carry the tree cover like this, now in then they carry and come the ground down, make it to be that medicine.
Wey fire burn person go rub band.
Yes,
So, no, you don't
as
do.
I show you that one for picture, she is my daughter. And the thing come happen to her. And now so we take 3 times. You see, Amba?
Na so the thing dey.
Yes, this is after 5 days.
Eh?
Even paracetamol I not give her.
And the thing go everything.
The thing go everything. She dey go school now.
Well done.
Well done, ma.